Mastering the art of active listening. Communication is at the heart of every connection we have, yet we often focus solely on how well we express ourselves. The truth is, real connection isn't found in what we say, it's in how we listen. Active listening is a skill that transforms relationships, enhances professional success, and fosters self-awareness. In this video, we explore what active listening truly means, the practical techniques to master it, and the profound benefits it can bring to your life. Active listening is more than just hearing someone's words. It is the ability to engage, understand, and respond meaningfully to another person's thoughts and emotions. When we truly listen, we create a safe space for others to express themselves, which builds trust and strengthens relationships. Imagine a conversation where the other person walks away feeling valued and understood. That's the power of active listening. It can deepen personal bonds, improve teamwork and collaboration, and even inspire confidence. By listening actively, we also grow in self-awareness. Understanding others better helps us understand ourselves. Many people think listening is passive, a simple task of hearing someone speak. This couldn't be further from the truth. Active listening requires focus, presence, and engagement. A common mistake is believing communication is primarily about speaking. We often listen only to respond, rather than to understand. Multitasking while someone is talking is another misconception. While you might think you are listening, your mind is too divided to fully grasp what's being said. Breaking these habits is the first step toward becoming a better listener. Active listening begins with being fully present in the moment. To listen effectively, you must set aside distractions, whether it's putting down your phone, clearing your mind of unrelated thoughts, or focusing completely on the person speaking. Creating a respectful environment is also essential. When someone feels they are being heard without judgment, they are more likely to open up. Truly listening means giving the speaker your undivided attention and showing that you value their perspective. Start by maintaining eye contact. This shows the speaker that they have your attention and builds trust. Also, use open and inviting body language. Uncross your arms, face the speaker directly, and nod occasionally to acknowledge you're following along. Ask open-ended questions to encourage deeper conversation. Instead of saying, "Did you like the project?" ask, "What did you think of the project?" Another crucial skill is paraphrasing and reflecting. This means summarizing what the speaker has said to show that you understand. Active listening isn't just about the words, it's about the emotions behind them. Show empathy by acknowledging the speaker's feelings. Statements like, "I can see that this is important to you," or "That sounds challenging," can go a long way in making someone feel heard and supported. Even the best-intentioned listeners can fall into some common traps. One of the biggest mistakes is interrupting or finishing the speaker's sentences. Doing this not only disrupts their train of thought, but also sends the message that you value your input over theirs. Another pitfall is making judgments or assumptions while the speaker is talking. When we think we already know what someone will say, we stop paying attention. Instead, approach every conversation with curiosity and an open mind. Finally, don't focus on what you're going to say next while the other person is speaking. It can be tempting to plan your response, but this takes you out of the moment and reduces your ability to truly understand the speaker's message. Developing active listening requires practice and intentionality. Here are some practical techniques to get started. Practice mindfulness. Before a conversation, take a few deep breaths and commit to being fully present. This can help silence mental distractions and keep your focus on the speaker. Use pauses. Effectively, don't rush to fill every silence. Pauses give the speaker time to think more deeply and can make the conversation feel more intentional. Monitor nonverbal signals. Adopt a posture that shows engagement and look for nonverbal cues from the speaker, such as tone of voice, facial expressions, and body language, which often reveal more than their words. The effort you put into mastering active listening comes with incredible rewards. When others feel heard, conflict is reduced, trust is built, and relationships grow stronger. This applies not only to personal connections, but also to professional environments. Active listening improves collaboration and problem-solving skills by creating open dialogue. When team members know their ideas are valued, they are more willing to share creative solutions and work cooperatively. On a deeper level, listening develops your emotional intelligence. As you become more attuned to the emotions and perspectives of others, you grow in empathy and understanding. This self-awareness can boost your confidence and help you navigate challenging conversations with grace. Active listening isn't a skill reserved for a few specific situations. It can be applied in every aspect of your life. For example, during a difficult conversation with a loved one, your attentiveness and willingness to understand their perspective can de-escalate tension and foster resolution. In professional settings, active listening helps build rapport with colleagues and clients, making you a more effective communicator and leader. And in casual interactions with friends or acquaintances, truly listening can make the other person feel valued in ways that strengthen your bond. Mastering the art of active listening is one of the most valuable skills you can develop. Think of it as a gift you give to others, your focus, empathy, and understanding, and a gift you receive in return: better relationships, stronger connections, and personal growth. It's not about being perfect right away. Start small, choose one conversation today where you commit to listening actively. Over time, these small efforts will lead to big changes. By embracing active listening, you're not just improving how you communicate, you're creating a foundation for deeper understanding, trust, and empathy in every corner of your life. Let this journey begin today. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.